Here's my setup. I have ice in a tub. Cold is your friend when you're grinding any type of meat, because the hotter it gets, the more it wants to smear and make a nasty mess. This is my new grinder that I got for Christmas, early Christmas present. Seems to work pretty well. All the metal components here, they've been in the freezer, so they're good and solid cold, and we're gonna put it all together. All right, let's try this. So I am mighty happy with that. That's a beautiful ground. I didn't know how this thing was going to work, but works superb. So we're going to put this in some freezer bags and vacuum seal it up. This is just the first round of it. I put the rest of it in the freezer so it doesn't get warm. So let's get the bagging.